tour of a project that I recently completed, and it was super fun to do. Basically, the homeowner had just got a new house and she just moved in, and it was a complete blank canvas. So if you're a designer, you know that's like a dream. She had an inspiration, knew exactly what she wanted, and that made it super easy for me and fun to create based off of those details. It's near and dear to my heart because I basically got to do the entire home. You'll see a summary of the entire project, including the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, the bedroom, and 2 bathrooms. So that's about 6 rooms. The bathrooms are very similar in style, but there are 2 separate bathrooms. The kitchen, there was just like little touches. We changed out the hardware on the cabinets. We kept the cabinets as is. And then just added the little touches of decor to pull together the colors in the dining room and the living room. The dining room, there's completely nothing in the dining room prior to me working with her. So we bought all that furniture in the dining room and actually the living room. And so you'll see how I put together the living room. The living room space was a little different space planning wise because there was also another room with windows separating those 2 rooms. So you'll see what I mean once you see the video. There's another room in the back, and that's supposed to be the gym. But it was kind of interesting to work with because it is a smaller home. It's an older home, so smaller space, but I think we made it work pretty well. And I just wish you guys could see this in person because there's nothing like walking in the warmth that you feel. This video definitely doesn't capture that. I don't think it is possible to capture that on pictures or video, but just believe the owner is in love, and so am I. Next, we did the bedroom, and she wanted like a cozy, modern vibe, but she wanted it to kind of blend into the style of the rest of the house. And so that was a little challenging because she did have some pieces already for the bedroom. So she already had a bed and a nightstand. So I had to kind of work around, oh yeah, and a dresser. I had to work around those things to try to pull it together, and you'll see. It is mirrored furniture, which is typically glam, but I think we made it work and made it cozy enough to not look like a sore thumb when it comes to the rest of the house. Guys, I hope you liked this little tour. It was very succinct and quick, but if you want to check out more images or videos or content of this project, just keep an eye out on my social media channels. I am on Instagram, TikTok, and soon to be Facebook, so check that out, and you can always look at my website as well. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you like most about this project, and even what you dislike. Which room do you like the best? And you can kind of tell me also, what is your favorite design style? I personally am loving modern. Modern organic is really popular right now, so I'm loving that as well. But contemporary modern is typically my go-to style over the years. But let me know what you're interested in. I have more content coming. So, and also let me know what you guys would like to see. So, thank you for watching, and until next time.